When I actually toured WVU, they showed us the Hearts of Gold program, and that is what made me decide on this school. I just think it's a great program. Everyone's so welcoming and there's so much to learn.
It's strange because you never really say you're excited to go to class, but this is just such a cool thing.
These dogs are being trained to help people that have disabilities, like people coming out of the military with like PTSD.
Not only is giving them a companion, but it's also giving them an everyday help. We've trained these dogs to do lights. They can brace their backs so people can get in and out of their wheelchairs. It's a really cool experience to see how other people will be impacted by these animals.
I'm really big on hands-on experience, so being able to do something, I guess impactful would be a good word. I think it's just a really cool program that benefits people other than the students.
I really enjoy the people here. They're all super helpful, they're nice, and then the dogs are obviously super fun to work with. They learn really quickly, they're fun to be around, and it's just a class I look forward to also during the week.
And it was a really enjoyable experience, and I'm really upset that the semester is almost coming to an end.